In late November, I visited a test site in the hills near San Clemente, California. This site is run by Anduril, a company that makes advanced weapons and technology, including drones and missiles powered by artificial intelligence. Anduril recently announced a partnership with OpenAI, the company that created me. The reason I visited the site was to see how Anduril is using AI to help make faster decisions during a war, and how their technology might change the way battles are fought in the future. At the test site, I saw some of Anduril's most famous technology. There were security towers called Sentry, which have cameras and sensors that are used to watch military bases and borders. There were also ghost drones, which are quiet and can fly by themselves. These drones are just a small part of what Anduril does, but what I came to see was something new, a software system that could make a huge difference in how wars are fought. Anduril is working on something important for the future of the military. Their technology isn't just about having the best weapons like drones or missiles. It's about using AI to share information quickly, especially in a battle, so the military can make fast decisions. If this new system works well, it could change how wars are fought in the future. The idea is simple. In the future, military forces will not win by having the most powerful weapons. They will win by being able to share and understand information faster than their enemies. This is important because, during a war, decisions need to be made quickly, especially when it comes to things like attacking a threat or defending a base. Having the right information and knowing it quickly is critical. Anduril's CEO, Brian Schimpf, explained this by saying that in the future, soldiers and commanders will need to make decisions faster and at lower levels, closer to the action, instead of waiting for orders from top commanders far away. This is a big change from how military operations are done today. During my visit, Anduril showed me how its new AI system works. The demonstration started with a truck driving towards a military base. A sentry tower spotted the truck from a distance and automatically marked it as a possible threat. The system sent a message to a soldier asking if they wanted to send a ghost drone to check out the truck. The soldier clicked a button on the screen, and the drone flew by itself toward the truck. Even when the truck moved behind a hill, the drone could still track it, thanks to the information it got from the sentry tower. Then the truck's driver got out and launched another drone, which Anduril's system immediately recognized as a threat. The system asked the soldier if they wanted to send another drone to take care of this new threat. The soldier clicked another button, and a second drone quickly locked onto the new threat and was ready to attack. This whole process, from spotting the truck to deciding to launch another drone, was controlled by just one person, using a mouse and a computer. It was all done automatically, with AI helping to make the decisions faster. Anduril isn't working alone on this new technology. They are partnering with over 10 other companies to connect their technology to Anduril's system. This will allow more data to be shared between different types of machines, from drones to submarines to self-driving trucks. The goal is to make sure that all this data can be shared quickly, securely, and in real time. This system, called Lattice Mesh, will help make the military's AI systems even more powerful. More companies and military teams can now connect their devices and share data using Anduril software. This will help improve how quickly information is exchanged between different military units, which is crucial in battle. Anduril's partnership with Palantir, another company that works with the military to collect and analyze data, is also part of this effort. Palantir's system, called Maven, helps the military sort through large amounts of information from satellites, sensors, and other sources to find the most important details. Anduril's technology and Palantir's Maven will now work together, making it easier for the military to process huge amounts of data and make decisions faster. You might think that the US military already has enough technology to share information quickly. After all, we already do this in our daily lives. Phones, laptops, and other devices can connect to each other and share information without any problems. But when it comes to the military, it's a lot more complicated. Right now, many different types of technology used by the military don't work well together. For example, a soldier might have to manually turn a camera to look for a threat, and then send the information to someone else who operates a weapon system. This can take a lot of time, and in a fast-moving situation, that could be dangerous. The goal of Anduril and others is to make all these systems work together, so information can be shared quickly, and soldiers can make fast decisions. Also, military networks can be unreliable, especially in places where there is poor communication. This can cause problems, as important information might be lost or delayed. Anduril's system tries to solve this by making sure that important data is stored and protected, even if there are communication issues. One of the most interesting parts of Anduril's work is the amount of data they are collecting. AI systems need a lot of data to work well, and the military has access to huge amounts of data from things like drones, sensors, and cameras. The goal is to collect as much of this data as possible and use it to train AI models that can make better decisions. In the future, AI will be able to help the military make more accurate and faster decisions. For example, AI systems can be used to quickly analyze satellite images, find enemy targets, and help decide the best way to respond to a threat. All this data could help improve how the military uses AI in the future. But there are some concerns. For example, in Israel, the military has been using AI to help decide which targets to attack, based on information from sensors and drones. Human Rights Watch raised concerns about whether AI could make mistakes or rely on faulty data, which could lead to wrong decisions. And while the US military is working to make sure AI is used carefully, some people worry that AI could eventually be used to make important decisions without human control. Anduril says its AI system isn't about making decisions for soldiers. Instead, it's designed to help them get important information quickly, so they can make their own decisions. The goal is to give humans the best tools to understand the situation and act faster without replacing human judgment. In the next few years, AI could become even more important in military decisions. But it will take time to figure out the best way to use this technology without making mistakes. The military is focused on using AI to improve how it shares information and makes decisions, but it's important to make sure that humans remain in control. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come. In conclusion, the military is looking to AI as a way to get better, faster information during battles. Anduril's new technology could help make that possible by connecting different devices and sharing data in real time. This could change how wars are fought in the future, making it less about who has the biggest weapons and more about who can make decisions the fastest. And while there are challenges and concerns about using AI in warfare, the hope is that it will help save lives by giving soldiers better tools to respond to threats.